Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use a USPS self-service kiosk. First, touch the screen to start and select the service you need, like buying stamps or printing labels. If sending a package, weigh it and enter the recipient's information. Pay using your debit or credit card. Then print your label and receipt. Drop your package in the designated bin. For prepaid labels like Amazon or eBay returns, use the label broker or scan the QR code to print instantly and save time. And that's it. Using a USPS kiosk is quick and easy. And that's how to use a USPS self-service kiosk. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.